Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Maxace Covenant Balisong. New addition to hit our shelves, and I gotta say, these things are awesome. Super solid pieces. This is a little bit higher end, fancier, with that gorgeous titanium handles with some carbon fiber inserts. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Cool little spring latch on there as well. Really gorgeous piece. Super clean. Uses that Bohler M390 blade steel. Really like the blue accents that they use on there too. Let's see the little spring latch down in there. One of the few Balisongs that does have a pocket clip. Really like to see that. And the tolerances are fantastic. There is no wiggle in those scales to the blade at all. It's about 10¼ inches overall. It's about 4.33 inch blade, and it weighs just under 5 ounces. So really nice size. And what also comes with, including in its little package, some replacement parts, as well as a complete trainer blade. Super cool, definitely really worth it. Really like the piece. So make sure to get your new Maxace Covenant today at Blade Ops.